Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. T-minus 9 minutes and counting. GLS auto sequence has been initiated.
Ground launch sequencer now controlling the countdown for the last 9 minutes. Over 1,000 different parameters will be checked and verified. And if all of these parameters are go, then at T-minus 31 seconds, the ground launch sequencer will have a handshake with the onboard computer on Atlantis, and Atlantis will take over the final 31 seconds of the countdown. If anything is amiss, the handoff to the onboard computer will not occur. The ground launch sequencer will stop the countdown. So at T-minus 31, that's our final milestone to get through. That means we're on our way to a liftoff.
PLT OTC, connect essential buses to fuel cells for your checklist.
Hey, essential bus to fuel cells in work.
Standing by to retract the crew access arm.
PLT essential bus source to fuel cells complete.
OTC copy. GLS is go for OAA retract.
The access arm can be moved back into position in front of the crew hatch in about 30 seconds should an emergency occur. Next event will be to start the auxiliary power unit chart recorders and then go through the auxiliary power unit pre-start procedure. That's coming up in the next half minute.
JRPS OTC, activate APU trip chart recorder. JRPS copy. And PLT OTC, perform APU pre-start.
APU pre-starts in work.
And then the auxiliary power units will be started at T-minus 5. Also at T-minus 5, the firing chain will be activated.
Pre-starts complete, 3 grade top mix.
OTC copy.
And also at T-minus 5, the range safety systems will be activated. T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
For orbiter APU start. PLT OTC, perform APU start.
APU start is in work.
And CDR OTC, reconfigure heater.
Copy on board.
Terminating the liquid oxygen replenishment now.
OTC CDR heater reconfigure complete.
OTC copy.
And OTC PLT APU start is complete, 3 good APUs.
OTC copy.
Preparing now to start the main engine helium purge sequence, which prepares the engines for their start sequence. And now we'll have an aerosurface profile test, gimbaling the engines and flight controls. Pressurizing the liquid oxygen tank.
LO2 pressurization. TLT OTC, clear caution warning memory, verify no unexpected errors.
Okay, caution warning is clear, no unexpected errors.
The gaseous oxygen fin hood is being retracted.
Copy and work. GLS scope for ET LH2 pressurization. One minute, 30 seconds.
Minus 45 seconds. Preparing now for the ground launch sequencer to hand off to the onboard computers. And the handoff has occurred.
Sequence start. 25.
Sound suppression water system is now being activated. We're arming the firing chain.
15.
Safety inhibits are now removed. Launch ignition system is armed. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis, launching a door to partnerships in space.
Houston now controlling the flight of Atlantis.
Roll program.
Atlantis, Houston, roger, roll.
Atlantis into the roll, placing the shuttle in a heads-down wings level position for the 8.5-minute ride to orbit. Atlantis beginning its chase of the International Space Station, a 42-hour pursuit of the facility. 27 seconds into the flight, Atlantis' 3 liquid fuel main engines now throttling back in a 3-step fashion to 72% of rated performance, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier. One minute into the flight, those main engines now beginning to rev up to full throttle, 104% of rated performance. Good engine performance, good fuel cells, good 3 hydraulic power units.
Go ahead, throttle up.
Start, go and throttle up.
The throttle up call acknowledged by Capcom Gus Loria to Commander Steve Lindsay aboard Atlantis. Lindsay joined on the flight deck by pilot Charlie Hobaugh, flight engineer Janet Cavandi, and mission specialist Mike Gernhardt. Jim Riley seated alone down on the middeck. One minute, 36 seconds into the flight, Atlantis already 18 miles in altitude, 15 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. All systems functioning perfectly at this moment. Atlantis traveling 2,900 miles per hour, now 27 miles downrange. And a good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging aboard Atlantis. The onboard computers commanding the main engine nozzles to gently swivel, aiming the shuttle for a precise keyhole in space for main engine cutoff. 2 minutes, 25 seconds into the flight.
Atlantis, 2-engine TOW.
Copy, 2-engine TOW.